are taking Miss Aurora to a new home where she's being rescued, and it is like a 6-hour flight, so I'm gonna break it up tonight, 2 hours, and go camp out. We camped out at Noble County. It's a pretty cool spot. We didn't even use the campsites, but we got here right around dark and camped out, had a good time. Aurora's been playing ball all morning. We're gonna find some gas nearby and make our way to Illinois. I'm here at Rochelle Airport. Aurora is now with her new owner. They just drove off. But I'm getting ready to take off here and go to close to Cincinnati, hang out with the guys, the Rush guys. We're going to do a little flying, camping, flying stuff.
My baby's a freak like me, and she knows just what I like. She carries all the keys to the places that no one dares to find. She won't tell nobody what goes on within these walls. If they talk, they probably tell you all about love.
Just camped out in Nulltown last night, got the tent all set up, and we're getting ready to go fly around, do a poker run, maybe hit some gravel bars. There's about 12 planes here now, and more to come in today, so it's gonna get windy. We'll see how it goes.
My queen got machine gun hips, better duck once they go off. Takes aim, no intentions to miss, so my soul help us all. And it's close to a fight in the midst of neon lights. And my neighbors, they greet me with bags under their eyes, and you know why. My baby's a freak like me, and she knows just what I like. She carries all the keys to the places that no one dares to find. She won't tell nobody what goes on within these walls. If they talk, they probably tell you all